Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to kick on stumble guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So in order to kick on stumble guys, you need to have the kick emote first. So it's basically like punch emote. You have to go to the shop, and if the offer is available, you can just buy it. So we will go to the shop and let's see if the kick emote is available. So when you go to the shop, you will come in the offers tab here. As you can see below, these are the skins, and when you go to the offers tab, there is usually a offer of punch emote or kick emote, but it is based on like events. As you can see, this is the wet kick special emote here. So it's a really good offer because you can get 4000 gems and also the special wet kick emote. So you can just click on it and then just make the payment. Or if you have like if you have if you have a code that you can redeem, you can just use that and redeem that code. So if you have a Google Play or Apple Play gift card, you can just redeem the code and just go ahead and buy it. So once you get that, and once you get the kick emote, you have to just simply slide and then click on the kick emote. So that way you will be able to kick on stumble guys. So you need to have the kick emote first. So just go ahead and buy it from here. As you can see, the offer is available. It won't be for long, so I would just suggest to go ahead and buy it and just slide and then click on the kick emote. So that's how you can do it. That's it for today. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.